Hello dear students, today we are going to discuss chapter number 10 part 2, that is visualizing solid shapes, and in previous part we have discussed exercise 10.1 up to question number 3, and in this part we are going to discuss exercise 10.1 and question number 4. The question is given here: draw the front view, side view and top view of the given objects. Here some objects are given and we have to find front view of the object, top view of the object and side view of the object. That means simply question number first, a military tent is given here and we have to find the front view, and this one is front view is given, and this is side view is given here, and on the top, if we can see from the top the tent is look upper part of the tent. Now we have to draw the front view, top view and side view of this object. Now simply, first of all, side view. If we see the object from the side, then only dark part can visible. This dark part, it's look like a parallelogram. So the side view, if we draw the side view of the object, then it may be look like this type. So this is side view of the object. Now front view, if we see this tent from the front, then this triangular shaped tent can be seen, we can see. So the front view of the tent will be the triangular part. So it's look like a triangle. So this is the front view of the object. Now the next one is top view. If we see the tent from the top, then simply this line can visible and this line can visible, and opposite to the tent, similar of this line, another line will be visible. So simply if we see from the top, this type of diagram we can see this is top line, this line, this one is the top line, and this line will be this line. This line is seen like this line. Similarly, opposite to the tent, similar line should be, we can see. So it's look like this type of diagram we can see from the top. This type of diagram we can see from the top when we see the tent from the top. So simply this is the top view of the object, top view of the tent, top view of the military tent. Now B part. A table is given here, and this is the top view of the table, and this is the front view of the table, and this will be the side view of the table. We have to draw the views. So first of all, top view. If we see the table from the top, then the rectangle type shape we can see. So this is the top view of the table. So simply if we see from the top the rectangle type shape we can see, so it is the rectangle and it is the top view of the table. Simply front view, if we see from the front, then this type of image we can see. This type of image we can see. So it's a small bending here. This is the front view of the table. You can say front view. Now similarly, when we see from the side, we can see the image like this, but it's little bit small. Small object. So this is the side view of the object. It is the same as a front view, but it is the size of side view is little bit small from the front view. Now C part. A nut. A nut is given here, and we have to draw the top view, front view and side view. So simply, if we see from the top to the nut, then it's look like a hexagon. So this is the top view of the object. Now, if you see from the front, this type of image we can see. This type of image we can see. This is the top view of the object. This is the front view of the object. Simply, if we can see the nut from the top, from the front, this rectangle shape is visible. It's draw here, rectangular shape. Then two small rectangles are also formed here. So this one is. So this is the front view of the object. Now side view of the object. Same to same. Side view. If we see from the side, then what type of diagram we can get? Simply same as front view. This is the side view of the object. Now D part. A hexagonal block is given here. Simply the front view is given. This is the front view, this is the top, and this is the side. So simply if we draw the front view, then it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides are there, so it's a hexagonal. So if you see from the front, a hexagonal shape can visible. So just draw the hexagonal. So this is the front view of the object. It's a hexagonal, and if you see from the front to the hexagonal block, we can see that this hexagonal shape 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides are there. That's mean it's a hexagonal. So this is the front view of the object. If we see from the front, the hexagonal shape can visible. Now top view. If we see from the top, this rectangle can visible, and these two rectangle, the partial part of these two rectangle can also visible. So simply if we draw the top view, then this type of shape can visible. This type of shape can visible. This is the middle rectangle, and this one is the partial rectangle. So this is the top view of the object. Now side view of the object. If you see from the side to this hexagonal block, what figure can visible? So simply this type of figure we can get. And this is the side view of the object. Now the next question, that is E part. A dice is given and the top view and front view and side view we have to draw. So simply E part, a dice is given. If we see from the top to this dice, what we can see? We can see a square shaped figure where 1 and 2 dots are given. So simply the top view will be like this. This is the square shape, and this will be the 2 dots, and this is the top view of the dice. Now the next one, if we see the dice from the side, what we can see? A square shape figure and 1 dot is present here. So this one is square shape figure and the 1 dot is present here, and this is the side view of the object. Now simply the last one is front view. So if you see from the front to this dice, what we can see? A square shape figure and 3 dots are here. So simply we can draw a square shape figure and 3 dots like this, and this is the front view of the object, front view of the dice. Now simply it is the solution of question number E. Now the next question, that is question number F. A solid is given here, and the top, if the top direction is given, front direction is given, and side direction is given here. We can see from the object, from the figure, the top direction is given and the front direction is given and side direction is given. We have to draw the top view, front view and side view. So simply, how many blocks are there? 1, 2, 3, and just below this block another block is present here. That means this one. 4 blocks are there. 1, 2, 3, and just below this block, 1 block also present here. That means 4 blocks are total. Total 4 blocks are present here. Now simply we have to draw the top view, front view and side view. If we see from the top, how many surface of blocks we can see? From the top, this one, this surface of the block we can see, this one. Now this one and this one. There are 3 blocks whose upper part we can see from the top. So the top view will be this square and this square and this square. There are 3 square surfaces we can see from the top, and in this sequence, first, second and third. Similarly, if we see from the front, how many surfaces of block we can see? From the front, this square shaped surface we can see, and this one is also we can see, and this one, this surface is also we can see. Now there are 3 surfaces of blocks we can see from the front. The first one, second one, third one. And in this same sequence, first, second, third. Okay. Now the last is side view. if we see from the side, how many surfaces of block we can see. So if we see from the side, then this one is the block we can see, and now this is the surface of the block we can see, and the third one is just below this block, just below this block another block is present, and this partial surface we can see from the here, from this figure. Another surface is present here, that means 1, 2 and 3. In this sequence 1, 2 and 3, there are 3 surfaces of block we can see from the sequence like 1, 2, 3. So first of all we have to draw the top view of the object. So simply if you see from the top, then first surface of the block and second and third. There are 3 surfaces of the block we can see from the top in this sequence, first, second and third. So simply this is the first square, this is the second square, and this is the third square. In this same sequence, first, second and third, first, second and third. This is the front view of the object. Now top view, if you see from the top, then first, second and third. There are 3 surfaces of the block we can see, first, second, third in this sequence. First, second and third. If you see the front view and top view, then this is the same figure is we have to draw here. So simply these are the same. Now the next one is side view. It's very important. So if we see from the side, then how many surfaces of block we can see? First, second and third. Third one is partial visible. We can see from here. Just below this block another block is present, and this surface is we can see from the side. So 1, 2 and 3. So in this sequence, first, second, third, we can draw the side view of the object. And this is the side view of the object. So this is the complete solution of exercise 10.1. And if you have any doubt and queries, you can comment in the comment box, or you can send the message in WhatsApp school group class 8. And thank you so much, students. In next video we will discuss the next exercise, that is exercise 10.2, and all the question we will do in the next video of exercise 10.2. Thank you so much, students.